So I built a computer. Hey! So, I decided that I wanted to build a PC. And so we did. And, here it is. Over here, it's beautiful. We don't have all the components we want yet. Like, this is an old monitor, an old crappy desk, and once you build a PC, it's like, you gotta upgrade everything. But I just wanted to show you guys what we did, and it was fun. It was difficult a little bit. There's a learning curve to it, I think. But we did it, and it runs great. And here's what's inside. Give me the things. Alright, here is the motherboard. It's the ASUS Z170S. It's the Sabertooth. It's all nice and white looking for in our nice white case over there. And that's the motherboard. What else we got? We got, for the graphics card, we got the EVGA for the Win Edition Geforce GTX 1070, and I love it. It's awesome. What else we got? Processing power. We got the Intel i7. What else is it? i7. Oh, 6700K. Yep, that's the good one. I forgot to mention, we have this overclocked to 4.6 gigahertz. We got a boring power supply. It's modular. It's good. Not the most interesting part. We got awesome sweet liquid cooling in this bitch. See that little fan that's all glowing? That's liquid cooling without the need for aquarium equipment. And we got this, it's got the liquid built right in. And we put it on there, and it's got liquid in it. Next, we got a mouse. It's the Logitech G502, or whatever, it's this thing right here. And it's pretty sweet, it's got like 1 million buttons for gaming. And for all the sweet fanfare and lights, we got the NZXT Hue Plus, which is like my favorite part besides the keyboard. But it's got all the lighting settings. It's got software where you can, you know, control all of the little LEDs to be like whatever color on this color spectrum you want. It's really, really the best LED display thingy I've ever seen. And the thing I picked out, the keyboard is the ASUS MGK 1 RGB. Yeah, but it's this thing. It's super clicky mechanical keyboard. I'm getting used to gaming with a keyboard and mouse. It's been very tough for me because I'm normally a console pleb, but I guess it's good. I like typing with it anyway. Okay, so I guess we have some glamour shots for you guys, and I'll just let you enjoy our first PC build. It was very fun to put together. When I get things, you know, when I get my space set up all nice, I'll be sure to show you guys and give you the grand tour. But for now, that's what we get in our first PC we ever built. And I think it's pretty beastly for like the price it was. So there we go. That's it. Alright. I've been Day is Dead. Stay tuned for a glamour shot.